grown in strength because we believe in manufacturing and offering the best.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I must pass on my apologies from the Honourable Speaker of Parliament. She called me this afternoon and said, if you don't mind, I won't be able to make it because I'm very tired. So please accept her apologies for not being here. To all the board members and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Banaka, and a very good evening to all of you. I'm honoured to be here this evening to officiate at the Roofing and Profiles Fiji Limited Edmonds Trade Night. Ladies and gentlemen, building a modern and digitized economy requires buildings. And creating jobs and generating economic growth requires buildings. Improving the quality of living for our fellow Fijians requires buildings. Improving and beautifying our towns and cities requires buildings. And I'm delighted to mention that RPFL is doing exactly that. They're building a modern and digitized economy, creating jobs and generating economic growth, improving the lives of our fellow Fijians, and improving our towns and cities. Ladies and gentlemen, being one of the largest manufacturers and distributors of roofing sheets and other various roofing accessories, they also have a multi-build division which specializes in design and the supply of quality pre-engineered building systems. And I can say that RPFL has come a long way from its humble beginnings. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, expanding its branches in Namaka, in Nandi, in Rewanga, in Suva, and increasing its numbers of employees from less than 50 since its establishment to more than 100 to date is strong evidence of their contribution to economic growth. I therefore commend RPFL for the good work, especially in the production of cyclonic tested roofing profiles. RPFL, ladies and gentlemen, has also increased their scope to roofing accessories and assorted products that are made from high quality materials that can withstand Fiji's climatic conditions. When talking about the quality building materials, standards, ladies and gentlemen, plays a crucial role. Standards ensure that the quality and consistency of products and services is maintained, and it gives businesses and consumers a greater peace of mind. And when there are high quality standards, it also benefits the economy, improving the health and safety and the protection of our natural resources, and improves our quality of life. Having building and building materials standards boosts confidence. Businesses and consumers can feel confident that the products that they use are safe and reliable and, very importantly, fit for purpose. Building standards are a launching pad for exciting new ideas, and it enhances innovation, and they can be created, evolved, or discarded according to our changing world. New standards are developed to reflect the latest technologies, innovations, and community needs. In this regard, ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government is working on the review of our National Building Code. The National Building Code provides the minimum standards for the construction of buildings and materials and that are used in the construction. And this review will ensure that the code is modernized and renewed. Building standards gives products a competitive edge. In the eyes of the consumers, products that comply with Fijian standards offer added value. It also reduces barriers to international trade. And regardless of where a product is made, standards mean that it can be sold and used around the globe. So opening doors to international trade and standards help Fijian businesses compete locally and globally to a wider market. Furthermore, ladies and gentlemen, standards assist in harmonizing Fijian laws and regulation, and this actually reduces red tape. They offer an alternative to regulation, reducing business costs and decreasing red tape, but still provide security for businesses and consumers. One must not ever forget that standards are central to Fijian businesses. They make business transactions simpler and more efficient and assist with the risk mitigation and compliance. Put simply, standards help our businesses thrive. There are three categories ladies and gentlemen, of standards, and they are the international standards, the ISO, IEC, and Codex, the regional standards, which are AS and NZS, and national standards, the Fijian standards. In addition, we have 15 local companies who are standards compliant. There are 9 that exist in the Central Division, 5 in the Western Division, and 1 in the Northern Division. We also anticipate an increase in these numbers in years to come, and I urge other companies to do the same and be compliant. Ladies and gentlemen, coming back to today's event, or tonight's event, I hope you will enjoy all the products that are on display whilst you share the information and ideas on how best we can work together in moving RPF-LN in the industry forward. I understand that we've had some groundbreaking, but you just given me a short brief on what's actually available now. If you like flat roofs, I think this is the one to go by. It's a 1 degree and multi-span. But with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I once again commend RPFL on the great work done, and I wish you all an enjoyable evening. Thank you very much. Na walewu.